A few moments
And
later.
when is your birthday on?
June 11. Yours about life experiences, work.
How is your work? How is your
My
work?
work is really good. Because you're there, you are my inspiration.
How many money do you earn a day?
That is confidential. I cannot disclose.
How many times did you be on live?
On live, where?
On the stage?
Stage.
Yeah.
How many times?
Yeah.
So many times. I
Tell
was on
me
the
the
stage.
number.
Numbers. I'm sorry, I cannot count it now. I'll count and tell you.
Infinity.
Not infinity, but many times.
99.
You also want to be on the stage when you grow up.
Yeah. I want to be famous like you.
Whoa! I'm famous. Thank you, thank you. Then, next question. I think you're asking very good question. You'll become journalist, I think, or news anchor.
How many days did you been working?
So now I've been working for more than 10 years.
Infinity.
Yeah,
Then 20 years.
almost. And
When did you work at Brand Neurons?
oh, I started working.
10 years before.
No, not 10 years. After I resigned from a company, I started Brand Neurons. But Brand Neurons interior, it was started. It's been around 6 years.
When did you start it?
What you're seeing there? You're thinking it is recording?
Yeah.
No. Next question.
What was your childhood snack?
My childhood snacks include Parle-G. You know Parle-G biscuit?
Yeah.
And black tea. Black tea with you know Zatkang?
Oh my
Huh?
god! This one.
No, not Zatkang. Zatkang. The dried food, rice.
Oh, that.
Yeah. And then rice, we'll put in the black tea, stir like this, and we're eating that food. That was my snack. Yeah.
What was your childhood favorite snack?
My childhood favorite snacks. Zatkang.
Dried rice.
Then
When were you born? I was born at 2018. You?
1955.
When was Mama John?
Same.
Mama is 28.
Age?
Yeah.
We're same age.
Then why is Mama shorter?
Shorter?
Yeah.
That is height.
Why is Mama very short?
No, she's not very short.
But why Amish uncle is very tall?
Yeah.
Because of his hair or
Yeah. Then
When was Yeye Heaven born?
she was born 1955, I think. That was a long time.
100 years ago.
No.
Or 600.
No.
1,000 years ago.
Around 70 years, something ago.
70.
69 years ago. Okay, anyway, nice talking with you. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your interview.
You're
You should look at me though.
You're welcome.